Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of the So Delicious cookie dough. Coconut dairy free ice cream, so it is also vegan, gluten free. There's the ingredients there. Pause the video if you want to read it. And the amount of sugar in there is, where is it? 28 grams. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test. So this was on sale in the local grocery store. You guys will probably see these things on sale occasionally, so it's not all the time, but when they do, it's pretty good. There you go, check that out. That's what it looks like. Let me get this wrapper. Let's do a quick taste test. There we go, you can see the chocolate in there. It's really good. It has a nice coconut aroma to it. Definitely check it out. And it has a nice creamy texture too. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.